Gurudev Ramchandra Dattatreya Ranade, M.A.D. Literature, born in 1886 into a pious family of Jamkhandi, North Karnataka, was one of the greatest mystic saints of modern India. He was a teacher, educationist, author, saint. Gurudev was a great mystic philosopher of international acclaim. Gurudev Ranade was initiated by Sri Bahu Sahib Maharaj on 25th of November 1901, on the day Vaikunta Chaturdashi. He secured the second rank in matriculation in the Bombay province, graduated in mathematics with distinction. In 1914, he completed MA in philosophy, winning the Chancellor's Gold Medal from the University of Mumbai. It is stated that the examiners who assessed Gurudev's papers remarked, "The examinee knows more than the examiner." Having written over 24 books on a wide range of subjects on philosophy, his magnum opus, A Constructive Survey on Upanishadic Philosophy, continues to guide scholars and practitioners world over, even to this day. Gurudev Ranade had mastery over English, Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Greek, Persian, Latin, and Hebrew, and studied both ancient and modern philosophy in all these languages. Gurudev's greatness is imprinted on the thousands of followers who have adapted mystic spiritualism in their thoughts, words, and action. From the layman to the intellectuals, he guided the path of integrating spirituality as a way of life. With the establishment of Nimbargi Sampradaya, a new view of life.
नमस्कार। आदरणीय अतिथियों, माननीय मंचासीन महानुभावों और उपस्थित सभी देवियों और सज्जनों का मैं इस विशेष अवसर पर हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। आज का यह कार्यक्रम एक विशेष आयोजन है जहां हम सब एकेडमी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव फिलॉसफी एंड रिलीजन ACPR या गुरुदेव रानडे मंदिर के शताब्दी महोत्सव कार्यक्रम में सहभागी हुए हैं। सौभाग्यवश हम सब परम पूजनीय सरसंघ चालक श्री डॉक्टर मोहन जी भागवत और पद्म भूषण श्री कमलेश पटेल दाजी के साथ उपस्थित हैं। इस अनुपम अद्भुत कार्यक्रम का आरंभ भगवान की आराधना से करते हैं। किशोर जी काकड़े नमन गीत प्रस्तुत करें।
जय गुरुदेव। चल जमुना की ओर मनवा, चल जमुना की ओर, तोड़ के बंधन सारे जग के, तोड़ के बंधन सारे, चल जमुना की ओर मनवा, चल जमुना की ओर। ये जीवन है रैन अंधेरी, ये काया है राख की ढेरी, टूटे सांस की डोर मनवा, चल जमुना की ओर मनवा, तोड़ के बंधन सारे। जीवन है एक बहती धारा, इसका मिलता नहीं किनारा, इसका और न छोड़ मनवा, चल जमुना की ओर मनवा, तोड़ के बंधन सारे। कहीं नहीं मिलता उजियारा, पग पग पर फैला अंधियारा, कहीं नहीं मिलता उजियारा, पग पग पर फैला अंधियारा, जग है बड़ा कठोर रे, जग है बड़ा कठोर, मनवा चल जमुना की ओर, तोड़ के बंधन सारे जग के, तोड़ के बंधन सारे, चल जमुना की ओर, मनवा चल जमुना की ओर, मनवा तोड़ के बंधन सारे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Kakade sir, for the soulful rendition. देवी और सज्जनों, ACPR का आज जो गौरवपूर्ण स्थान है, जो महत् कार्य इस संस्था ने किया है, उसमें सबसे प्रथम श्रेय जाता है एडवोकेट मारुति जिरली जी को, जो ACPR के सचिव हैं। ही इज़ द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द एकेडमी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव फिलॉसफी एंड रिलीजन। जिरली जी कृपया मंच पे आएँ, हमारे माननीय अतिथियों का स्वागत करें और उनका परिचय दें।
जय श्री गुरुदेव। In the name of the distinguished spiritual legacy represented by the Academy of Comparative Philosophy and Religion, I offer my pranams to the esteemed assembly of thought leaders present here. We have gathered here to mark the centenary of the establishment of an institution which represents the universal purpose of global religions and philosophies. I am really delighted and very happy to introduce our chief guest of the occasion. On this occasion, we are honored to have with us the august presence of two important rishis of modern Bharata. I am happy to welcome the Reverend Head of the Ramchandra Mission, Hyderabad, Padma Bhushana Shri Kamlesh Ji Patel, as the guest of honor on this great occasion. A guru of global acclaim and a guide of Raja Yoga meditation, Acharya Kamlesh Ji Patel has been recognized as a master who facilitates the rejuvenation of the inner self. In his attempt to connect people to the divine self, Acharya Patel has transformed millions of lives across the world. We are immensely privileged and happy to have with us respected Parama Pujaniya Dr. Mohanji Bhagwat, the Sarasanga Chalak of Rashtriya Swayam Sevaka Sangha, a movement founded in 1925, engaged in the mission of nurturing the cultural pride of India. Mananiya Sri Mohanji Bhagwat, an exceptional leader of values and a great strategist of all social and religious and spiritual themes, hails from Chandrapura, Maharashtra. After completing his veterinary medical graduation, he dedicated his entire life to the Rashtriya Swayam Sevaka Sangha, and he has become the Sangha Pracharaka in 1974. I would like to add here one very important thing which is touching my heart. Parama Pujaniya Mohanji Bhagwat is a great devote, and also he loves the writings and life values of Parama Pujaniya Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, and draws his inspiration from the sanskaras inherited from Gurudev's lives and works. Academy of Comparative Philosophy and Religion is an institution devoted to the comparative understanding and research all over the world regarding all the religions and philosophies of the world, to work for the spiritual unity of the mankind and consequent peace and goodwill upon earth, bringing together intellectually and spiritually minded persons. Sri Gurudev himself wrote the prospectus of this particular institution in the year 1925. He declared this institution to be established on 1/8/1924, that is on Friday, and exactly after completion of 100 years, that is on today, 1/8/2024, we are celebrating the centenary year of this particular great institution. I would like to bring to your kind notice that the first book, The Constructive Survey of Upanishadic Philosophy, was written by Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, and it was published in the name of our academy, that is Academy of Philosophy and Religion, Pune, in the year 1926. The book is a renowned world-famous book on constructive surveys of all the philosophies of the world. After reading this particular book, then the Ganganath Jha of Allahabad University, when he read this particular book, who is this particular author, went on searching for Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, and he approached Gurudev Ranade by writing a letter to him and inviting him to join the Allahabad University. Initially, Gurudev refused, in fact, he did not accept that particular invitation. But later on, Ganganath Jha insisted him to join the Allahabad University, and accordingly, the pilgrimage of Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade towards the northern India started in the year 1927. He joined that particular university. Thereafter, he went to Allahabad, and he had become a great figure in intellectual world. As on today also, amongst all the philosophers in the country and outside the country, whenever they want to read the Indian philosophy, it is Gurudev Ranade's philosophy they used to read. That is our pride. And accordingly, in the year 1952, Gurudev shifted this particular institution after he has retired from Allahabad University to Belgaum. And in the year 1964, Sanmaniya B.D. Jatti sir, who also hails from Jamkandi, who was a great admirer of Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, who came and laid foundation stone to the headquarter building of Belgaum ACPR. And in the year 1965, on 15/12/1965, posthumously, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, whom we know as a king philosopher of the country, who came to Belgaum and inaugurated the headquarter building of this particular great institution. Gurudev always said one thing, that the publication work is more durable than the work in marble. Instead of raising buildings, we should attend to publishing important works. The Academy has taken this seriously and has been successful in publishing several books so far. Apart from publishing, we have taken the task of digitalizing Gurudev's literature and the literature on Sri Gurudev, using the advanced technology to preserve the knowledge system generations to come. Now a curious reader from any part of the world can access this literature on a simple click of a button. We are planning to build a research center dedicated to research in all philosophies and religions, and also a meditation center for all to come and enjoy the divine bliss. Inclusiveness of all the believers of God will create a spiritual garden, fostering a fearless and devout society, marching towards Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and standing on a strong spiritual and moral foundation. Gurudev has said, if India must rise, she will rise in a most peculiar way, not hitherto known to all history. She will combine the virtues of the West and the East, and will rise superior to both. If the West and the East have to meet, they have to meet in India and not in Europe. What a glorious prospect lies before Bharata. If these are the words of Gurudev's prophetic words, we must be prepared for this global transformation and be ready to contribute our part to nation building. The present centenary year, spread over 3 days, shall witness a confluence of leaders from across academia, profession, industry, business, and social activism, unified by the inspiring message of Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, one God, one world, one humanity. Apart from the observance of traditional rituals, the event is being celebrated as a youth festival and a teachers' conference, enlightening sessions for students and the teachers, internalization of Guru Shishya Parampara. We are extremely happy and glad to welcome an array of distinguished teachers, academicians, industrialists, professionals, social leaders, students for this conclave of enlightenment. We welcome you all to immerse in a spiritual experience and draw inspiration from the rich legacy of knowledge, wisdom, and tradition. Gurudev's books are loaded with spiritual knowledge and hold the capacity to enlighten the generations to come. After churning the literature of Hindi, Marathi, and Kannada saints, he has laid the scream in front of us to enjoy. ACPR has taken the gigantic task of reprinting his entire collection of works. Today we are releasing around 7 books out of 27 books. Mohanji and Daji are going to release the philosophical and other essays and reflections, and the consumption of spiritual life in Mahatma Gandhi and Hindi saints, evaluation of my own thought, Paramartha Mandira, and a Nitya Niyamavali translated in Kannada, and footprints on the sands of time. On behalf of my colleagues in the service of Gurudev, I am happy to welcome you all for this sacred event. May Sri Gurudev shower his grace upon us and lead us through all the upcoming events. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Advocate Jirli ji, for taking us so seamlessly across the entire journey of ACPR and also welcoming the guests. On behalf of all the devotees of Gurudev Ranade who have assembled here, as well as each and every one of us present here and each and every person of Belgaum, it is time to honor our dignitaries who have graced this occasion. सबसे पहले इस संस्था के समर्पित कार्याधिकारी ACPR के उपाध्यक्ष श्री सुब्रमण्यम भट्ट जी, परम पूजनीय सरसंघचालक डॉक्टर मोहन जी भागवत को स्मृति चिन्ह प्रदान कर गौरवान्वित करें. Definitely must be accompanied by applause. This is on behalf of each one of us present here today. पद्म भूषण श्री कमलेश पटेल दाजी को श्री आर.जी. जकाती ACPR के सह सचिव स्मृति चिन्ह प्रदान कर उनको गौरवान्वित करें. आज के कार्यक्रम की अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर अश्विनी जोग, ट्रस्टी ACPR, इनको गौरवान्वित करें श्रीमती वंदना जोशी जी. Thank you so much.
I am extremely sorry. The another person presiding along with Mohanji and Daji is Professor Ashwini Jog. She is the ardent follower of Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, and she is also the trustee of Academy of Comparative Philosophy and Religion. And for your information, in the last 25 years, she has contributed sufficiently in publishing so many books on Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade, and she is like Badi Behan in our academy for all of us. Welcome to Ashwini Jog, and she is from Solapur. She runs between Solapur and Belgaum oftenly. Thank you, sir.
That was really a warm gesture, sir. इस अद्भुत कार्यक्रम का औपचारिक उद्घाटन होने जा रहा है। अब मैं आप सभी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि आप अपने अपने स्थानों पर खड़े हो जाएं। हम ACPR के शताब्दी समारोह का उद्घाटन दीप प्रज्वलन के माध्यम से कर रहे हैं। यह शुभ कार्य परम पूजनीय सर संचालक डॉक्टर मोहन जी भागवत के कर कमलों द्वारा किया जा रहा है। दाजी, जिरली जी और अश्विनी मैम उनका साथ दे। The dignitaries will also pay floral tributes to Gurudev Dr. R.D. Ranade. Thank you so much. Well, as rightly said by Advocate Jirli ji, that it was the core philosophy of Dr. Ranade that instead of raising marble structures, we would very well publish books for posterity, and that is exactly what ACPR has been doing all along. Today is the momentous occasion when we are publishing a set of books. गुरुदेव डॉक्टर R.D. रानडे का जीवन एक असाधारण यात्रा थी जो ज्ञान साधना और आध्यात्मिक अनुभवों से परिपूर्ण थी। इन अनुभवों को उन्होंने अपने अनेक ग्रंथों के माध्यम से साझा किया। आज उनके समस्त कृतित्व को संकलित कर प्रकाशित करने का सौभाग्य ACPR को प्राप्त हुआ है, जिससे आने वाली पीढ़ियां भी उनके ज्ञान के प्रकाश से दीप्त होंगी। इसके साथ साथ ACPR और उसके महान संस्थापक डॉक्टर R.D. रानडे जी का एक व्यापक वृत्तांत फुटप्रिंट्स ऑन द सैंड्स ऑफ टाइम एक पुस्तक के रूप में संकलित किया गया है। यह ग्रंथ संस्था और उसके महान संस्थापक डॉक्टर रानडे का परिपूर्ण परिचय देता है। इसके साथ साथ एक और कन्नड़ पुस्तक नित्य नियमावली का भी प्रकाशन इस पल किया जा रहा है। मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ डॉक्टर मोहन जी भागवत, पद्म भूषण श्री कमलेश पटेल जी और सभी गणमान्य व्यक्ति अपने कर कमलों से इन पुस्तकों का विमोचन करें। I request Jirli ji to please join in the release of these historic books that are being published on this occasion, and all the trustees of ACPR, the chairman Advocate Ashok Poddar, vice chairman Bhatt sir and joint secretary Jakati sir also to please join.